everybody, it's NOUFY from NOUFY Loves Luxury. I'm using my new phone, which actually I want to show you. It's very hard to do that when I'm using it. So today I'll use the phone quickly. I've got a few Temu packages coming and one has arrived. Weird, it's not in its orange Temu packaging. I also hope you can hear me because I'm not using my microphone. We'll see how this works out, shall we? So, first of all, let me get a chair. If you're new here, thanks for coming and watching. Please think about liking and subscribing. I am still trying to grow my channel, but that's okay, I have fun. I'm going to do a couple of more videos. I'm going to show you my new phone. I'm going to show a few new things I bought, and a new handbag. But today, let's have a look at Temu. So I'm cutting into the Temu as you and I speak, so you will see it as I open it. I'm sorry my hair, it looks like it needs a brush, it's scraggly. I don't really remember everything, and I know there's a few more packages coming, so I may film a bit of this and then when the other ones come, film again and then combine them. The package is open. So, I remember now some of the things that I got. So, this is going to be, I've got a son with autism, and he's also very sick, so you might have heard me talk about him. So today's package is a lot about him. So even though he's a lot older, he's an adult, he really has the capacity of around 2 to 3. And so that'll make sense when I show you. It's fun. So the first thing I got with him in mind, so he loves Toy Story and Lion King, and is I got a couple of these, but not from Temu. So I got it upside down. It's like a blankie just to, you know, put on you when you're watching TV or if you're sitting on the couch. And because he's also unwell, he lays down a lot. And I mean, he's critically sick, so he's terminally unwell. So I'll see if I can get it all on camera. But check it out, Toy Story Buzz. And I'll see if I can lift it. It feels really cozy. So one side is whatever this material is. One side is just white and the other side has got the Toy Story print. How cute is this? It's actually really large, like it's larger than I thought. I know this is silly, but as a throw rug, look at it. It's cool. He will love that. He will absolutely love that. So bonus, I'm going to put that over there. Yeah, they have definitely got lots of packages that they haven't sent me. So this is going to definitely be a 2 split. So it may look like this and end up like something else because it'll be a different day and I might use my camera again. So what else did I get? They've only put one more thing, so this is definitely going to be quick. This, if you can see, if you move back, is, can you see that? That's cool. So it's actually, let me show you the back of this. See that? And it's squishy. It's almost foam feeling, but it's actually like a little, it's like a little carpet. So in his room, he doesn't have carpet, he has like floorboards. So I wanted it for where he sits. He's got a big lounge suite in his bedroom, as well as a bed. But I wanted this to be under his feet, and I wanted it to be new and cozy and squishy, and it is. So that's cute. And you know what? That's all they've sent me in this package. I am due probably about 5 packages. Anyway, this is definitely going to be a 2-part series. So for you, it'll be like 1 minute away, but for me, it'll be several days. So I will see you in a minute, but several days. Welcome back. Or if you've just joined me for the first time, welcome. Please think about liking and subscribing, commenting below, helping me grow this baby channel. So today, we're doing a Temu. I've got the second part of my Temu. Now, I think there's actually a 3rd part, but anyway, we might leave that to a different month. So Temu's come in. I'm excited about it. I'm always excited about Temu and my little things. But just a pre-warning for those that might say, where's your handbag videos? I've bought something from Meredith. Meredith is an Australian YouTuber. If you haven't heard of her, you must be under a rock. Anyway, I've bought something from her in the past and got very excited about that. And I've just bought something on the sale that happened on the Sunday. Just gone, so I'm excited to show that. So when that does arrive, it hasn't arrived yet, I will film that and that'll be an unboxing for you. So let's get on with the Temu. Choppy chop. So it's come in its bag as normal. I'm sure you're sick of seeing the bags. Now I'm going to randomly, as I do, just grab things out because they just pack it in, right? And by the time it gets to me, I can never remember what I've bought. As I pull them out of the bag, I go, oh yeah. I'm sorry I'm sitting down here too. I'm sitting on the floor because it's more comfortable. So in the spirit of the last video, or the last part of this video, I bought my son the Toy Story theme. And so here, Toy Story theme. So I'll just show you. Oh, they're cute. Let me see. Buzz and Woody. Very, very cute. And even the back of them. Look at this. Cute. Cute. All right. So I got a couple of cards, right? And in the packaging, they've bent them all. So I think they need to be, like, I know it's Temu, but a little bit more careful, because some things do ruin in the packaging. They don't put hard packaging. Anyway, I'll open these up so I can show you. Cute envelope. It's very sparkly. And the reason I'm going to show you this, because you're going to think, what? My husband and I joke around a lot, so here it is. I'll let you read it. I won't even say it out loud. Oh, I might have to. Is that back the front? Okay, it's a thing in Australia. So I'm sorry for those that don't like bad language. Cover your ears now. Warning, cover your ears. Happy birthday, cunty McFucking nugget. Now, I don't know. It's very, very Australian. It's just things we say. It's stupid and funny. Anyway, I will stop at that. Oh yes, and I got another one. So I got this for my husband's birthday, but from our dog. And you might be thinking, what? So him and the dog are closer than me and him, I think. But here. Oh, happy Father's Day, which is soon, not the dog. Not birthday. So it says, Dad, there's nobody I'd rather have by my side, awkwardly waiting while I poop. So cute. So this can hang on my son's bag. I got him this, a little Buzz. See with that? Or with the key string, or it has the little, yeah, it's cute. That's cute. That's really cute. So I'm going to Bali soon, I hope, if my son's well. So I bought a dress that I'm hoping is good. And it's off one of my favourite things, which is turtles. And here's the turtle. So it's a dress like this. It's long. It actually feels nice. I mean, sometimes these prints are too stiff, but this one feels good. I'll just get a bit closer. So it's just a dress. It's, the bottom of it is just dress. But it's a long dress, really nice for going around Bali. So far so good. But even if they don't, I have a sister. These are cool. Thongs! Well, in Australia we call them thongs. I think you call them, America, you might call them flip-flops or something. Anyway, these are thongs. They're thongs, alright? They don't go up your butt. They're thongs on your feet. So, I just thought they were really lively, cool colours. I like that they're high heels because I'm 5'4", which is pretty short. So I like having a bit of heel. Don't know if they're comfortable. I'll try them on. Okay. Okay, so jewellery. I think these are cute. Just a little pair of dress. It's just a little rose with the little hearts. And again, in Bali, I don't like taking my real jewellery and my real gold and all that. So I like these sort of things for Bali. And if my ear goes black, then I throw them out. So these are for my husband. I don't think they're going to be big enough, but he'll give them a go. So I don't know why he wanted these, but he did. They are, what do you call these things? Slippers, I suppose. They're not Ugg boots. I guess they're slippers. Anyway, they've got a hard sole. Oh, it's not that hard, it bends. And yeah, they look like that. Pretty boring. Got this desktop storage stand, which I'll show you the box because this might be an opening for later. Can you see that? And it's really to stand my my iPad on. Oh, this is a lot smaller. So in the pictures they show you with these big iPads and stuff, but this has come, and I'll show you. This is ridiculous. This is not going to be big enough for an iPad. I mean, maybe. Anyway, let me show you. I like the colour. Sorry, it's got the pink. So I guess that's a grippy, and that's grippy. Well, maybe. I guess it wouldn't matter if it's bigger. Cute little stand. If anything, it'll be cute for my phone. Way too big for my phone. Anyway, cute. So I can't remember what this is, but it's some sort of clothing. It feels soft-ish. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is not the quality I thought it was going to be. Let me get back a bit. But it's nice. So again, for Bali. And I thought I'd just put a belt around it. I liked the style. Again, I'll try these on and I'll show you. But, don't know, that might just look like a box. Anyway, I will try it. I will try. What else? Another piece of clothing. This reminds me of a dress I already have. I have a dress from Guess, I think it is. This reminds me of that. I hope this is nice. I like this the most. Anyway, you'll see why. Very Bali indeed. So, that might be too tight for me. I hope not, but what beautiful colours. I love the design. Look at those flowers. I mean, stretchy, but you know, it'll probably show all my bits, which I don't want. But anyway, I do like it. I'll just show you this. I want to try. I've never tried this before. Little nails that just press on. Probably crap, but I'll give them a go. I don't know what this is. A water cup. I remember getting a water cup. All right, let's have a look. Oh, yeah. So this is for my son. So you put the little straw in here, and then it's got all the Toy Story characters. See? How cute is it? I think that's cute. I like. I've been waiting for this. So you might remember from a few videos ago, I was trying to get a shower cap so that I can go swimming with, and it looks bloody ridiculous. I didn't get it was like a shower cap. Wouldn't even keep your head. It was ridiculous is what I want to say. So this is trying number 3. And I bought one. This is definitely a swimming cap. Let me show you. So yeah, this is a swimming cap. I don't know what it's going to be like until I put it on my head, which I can't do because I'm just about to go into a meeting and my hair's bad enough. But all I can do is try it. I got it a little bit bigger because of my hair, but we'll see how we go for my swim spa. So these are functional things that I hope to use. Let's see. I also got this for my husband. He'll think it's funny. Again, it's a very Australian thing. I know that a lot of places around the world find this very offensive. But here in Australia, it's really not. Well, it's mostly not. Well, it's not in our house. Don't be a C. How funny. I'm sorry, but I think it's funny. I should give a pre-warning on this video. Things you never know. Hit and miss with Temu, isn't it? So I recently got the newest Samsung A9 tablet. And I really must do that. I bought new Dyson things. Oh. Anyway, I wanted a sleeve, just a basic sleeve to little strap, which I'll never use, just to store it in so it doesn't get ruined. I mean, I guess it did the job. Okay, more clothes. So this looks so pretty online, but I don't know. So it's weird material and it needs an iron, but I'll show you. It's meant to be, if I can hold it right, it's got shoulder pads. We're going back to the 80s. It's meant to be a jacket with the pretty print, and it feels like, I don't know what this is, but look, check out the 80s. Don't know about that. And then it has this little skirt, which I thought I'd wear with the leggings if I did wear it. And they're a little matching set. Very stretchy. So I like the pattern. So I got, again for Bali, don't know why because I have 20,000 pairs. I just wanted to try the Temu bathers. So I got a one-piece. That looks really high. I don't know if it's just because it looks that way. I hope it's not. So just a one piece, and it came with a matching, what do you call them? Shawlsing My words are broken today. Anyway, a wrap that can go around it, which I really like the colours. So again, I'll try that. Don't know that I'll show you that because, you know, it's nice. It looks like it's going to be tight. I love this print. I just love it. So this is a dress. It's got the, you know, you tie up the top of it. And it's long and it goes all the way down. But I don't know if you can tell. This looks, yes, it's stretchy, but you know, I'm over 50 and yeah, I don't have a tight body for this. So let's see, but I really hope this fits because I love it. I got a big t-shirt. This will definitely fit and I love it for my son because he's a big boy. Look at that. How cool is that? I love that. That's awesome. That's awesome. It looks like this. And, you know, the foldable bits. And then mine does have a pen, so maybe this is right. Just feels, I don't know what to say. Flimsy, but maybe when it's in it, and I'll show you, maybe it'll be okay. Because I did want it to be light, so maybe. Okay, I was like, what is this? Because there's these 3 pieces and these screws. I will get my husband to put that together. It's meant to be like that to put my nail polish on or something in my beauty room. So I'll have a go at that. My face is really red. Let me just have a drink. I've got a Boost juice. Do you have Boost juice in America? Probably is American. Okay, one of the last things, which again, okay, this is something I really don't like about Temu. Like the cards, they shouldn't just stuff it in. It should be in some sort of box or something that protects it, because when you buy something like this, it's buckled and bent. So anyway, what this actually is for your laptop. So it's, you can put it on your laptop and you cut around it and then it creates your own pattern for your laptop. I'll just go in. So if you see this picture here, see how there's the laptop and it's, you put the sticker on there, but you also put it on where your keyboard is. And then you can have all these different designs. The design I went with is this one. I must say, the more I look at this, the cuter it gets. So, hey, so this would be the size of my, you know, so actually it will fit. Look at that. Ah, that's cute. Okay, my friends, I'm going to go. Bye. I'll see you in my next video, which is hopefully a handbag video.